Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are here for another sneaker unboxing video. Although today we aren't really covering a new release. Today we will be unboxing the Jordan 8 Playoffs Retro that came out in 2013. Even though this shoe was released 7 years ago, they have never been worn. I was able to pick these up on the resale market to sort of commemorate the completion of the Last Dance documentary series. I think the documentary gave a lot of people the itch to get their hands on some Jordan sneakers they either have always wanted or they just saw in the documentary and felt inspired to pick them up. For me, it is the former. These are the first pair of Jordan 8s I've ever owned, and I wanted to get a pair to help complete my quest of owning all the Jordans between the numbers 1 and 14. I still am currently needing to add the 2s, the 7s, the 9s, the 10s, and the 13s to that collection, but that will obviously come in time. Hopefully sooner rather than later, especially with the Flint 13s that are about to drop. I definitely have my eyes on picking those up and completing that 13 slot in my collection. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. These are beautiful Jordan 8s. The official color breakdown on the box starts with black, which we see on the majority of the shoe. It's made up of a Nubuck suede material. I always get those mixed up. I don't know the difference between suede and Nubuck. I just know like the feeling is different than regular leather, and you gotta be careful with those in the rain. And I just love how many little details that are in these specific shoes. I think that's what makes me like them so much. So much thought, I feel like, was put into the detail of the shoe. The black can be seen on the toe, down the sides of the shoe, on the Velcro straps embossed with Air Jordan, the carpet background to the Jumpman logo on the tongue, around the back to the heel of the shoe with the pull tab, as well as the hits on the outsole. Next up we have Varsity Red, which we see visible from the side, peeking out from the outsole. It's also scattered amidst the mudguard brush stroke graphic, outlining the 2-3 on the straps, covering the laces, and of course filling the Jumpman logo on the tongue. The color white can be seen providing a space for all the other colors to pop on the outsole and the side mudguard. It also fills up the 2-3 on the lace straps. Now is also a good time to mention the amazing graphic that is on the sock liner behind the top of the tongue and on the back end of the heel. Like I said, there are just so many little details that help this shoe pop. At first glance, it's just another black Jordan, but when you really break it down, the Jordan 8 stands out as one of the most detailed in the entire series. Finally, bright Concord purple can be seen peeking out from the outsole. Honorable mentions go out to the gray cement coloring on the midsole, as well as the yellow Jumpman on the outsole to complement the Concord purple and Varsity Red that are also found on that side of the shoe. That's basically the extent of the shoe. Like I said, these things have so many little details that come together in the perfect 90s fashion to help us remember the incredible era of basketball and also the incredible era of sneaker culture that we had in that time. Much like, fast forward to 2020, the Last Dance documentary kinda clued us in to those same things. Honestly, that's what inspired me to pick up these shoes in the first place, so it all kinda comes full circle with that. Let me know what you think of these shoes in the comment section down below. Do you still have a pair of these sitting somewhere in your closet? Did you pick up a pair of Jordans during the duration of the Last Dance documentary? If so, which ones did you pick up? Why did you pick them up? Let me know all this and more in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe because we have more sneaker unboxing videos along the way. Like I said, I want to pick up those Flint 13s when those drop, so stay tuned to find out if we get our hands on those or we suffer the L of Sneakers app. Thank you for coming out to this one, and I hope to see you for the next one.